Hey, you know that moment when TikTok shows you the perfect video? Or YouTube knows what you want to watch next? Spooky, right? Is it magic though? Can your phone really read your mind? No, it's not magic. It's AI, artificial intelligence. It learns what you like. We call it a recommendation engine. Think of it like a pattern detective. It watches what you click, skip, or like, and learns from it. But AI can do more than showing videos. There are many kinds of AI. Let's check them out. First, AI that talks, like Siri or Alexa. This is called natural language processing. You talk, it answers. Next, AI that sees, like face unlock on your phone. It looks at your face and says, "Yep, that's you." Cool, right? AI can also create things. It can draw, write songs, or turn photos into cartoons. And hey, ChatGPT is AI too. I can help you write stories, poems, or even homework. So, how does AI get smart? Step 1. Study time. AI looks at many pictures, like cats and dogs, and finds patterns. Step 2. Quiz time. AI tries to guess. If it's wrong, we tell it. Feedback helps it learn. Step 3. Practice. The AI keeps trying until it gets better. That's how it learns.